Most new Temu users make the same mistake, and the worst part, they don't even realize they're doing it. They download the app, open it normally, start browsing random products, maybe test a random coupon code later, and then wonder why the rewards look weak. That's exactly what happened to me at first. And honestly, the offers were terrible. Tiny discounts, almost no free gift progress, nothing that looked like the videos online. At that point, I thought the whole thing was overhyped, until I realized the mistake wasn't the app, it was how I started. Because the second I stopped using random codes and activated the code on screen first before browsing anything, the app completely changed. Suddenly, I started seeing bigger coupon bundles, stacked discounts, extra reward offers, and the free gift section finally became active. That's when I realized why some people instantly get better rewards, while others barely get anything. New users make the mistake of entering Temu like normal shopping, but the people getting the best deals, they activate the reward system first. And honestly, the code on screen was the first one I tested that actually felt like it triggered something real. Not just tiny checkout savings, I'm talking actual changes inside the app. Better offers, stronger coupons, more reward options, everything. I even tested random codes after that just to compare, and the difference was obvious immediately. The rewards dropped, the offers got weaker, the free gift progress almost disappeared. That's why using the right code early matters so much. Not later at checkout, not after browsing for 20 minutes. First, because once the app decides you're in normal shopping mode, most of the best offers are already gone. Now let's keep this real. Does this guarantee massive rewards instantly? No. Can results still vary? Definitely. But if you're a new user and you start with random codes instead of the code on screen, you're probably killing your best rewards before you even begin. Try activating the code first and tell me, did the app instantly start showing better coupon deals and free gift rewards too?